Unpacking Idioms, Kicking a Dead Horse, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, kicking a dead horse. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's widely used in English-speaking cultures. So, if you've ever been curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. The phrase, kicking a dead horse, refers to the act of wasting time and effort trying to do something that is already hopeless or impossible to change. It paints a vivid picture of uselessness, as there is clearly nothing to gain from kicking a horse that has already passed away. This idiom is often used in situations where someone continues to talk about a subject, argue a point, or try to persuade others about something that has already been decided or resolved. While the exact origin of kicking a dead horse is a bit murky, it's believed to have come into use in the 19th century. Some sources suggest it originated from political contexts or trade unions, where efforts to change a decision or revive a discussion were seen as futile. Understanding its origin helps to appreciate the idiom's emphasis on the futility of certain efforts. Using this idiom correctly involves recognizing situations where continued effort is pointless. For example, in a meeting, I think we should move on to the next topic instead of kicking a dead horse by debating this decision further. In personal projects, trying to fix this old car is like kicking a dead horse. It's time to admit it's beyond repair. It's a phrase that conveys resignation and the need to let go of unproductive endeavors. While kicking a dead horse is a colorful expression, it's important to use it sensitively. Avoid using it in situations where effort and persistence might actually lead to a positive outcome, or where the topic is sensitive and could upset someone. Context is key when deciding if this idiom is appropriate. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, kicking a dead horse. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Remember, language is a window into culture, and idioms like these add color and depth to our understanding of English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language insights. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.